Do you know how a partnership that began with a single car evolved into a league-wide revolution? For years, we've seen Ally's bold purple and vibrant branding on the iconic number 48 Chevrolet of Hendrick Motorsports. The journey started back in 2019 when Ally became the full-season sponsor for seven-time champion Jimmy Johnson. This wasn't just another logo on a race car, it was a partnership built on shared values and a commitment to do it right, both on and off the track. Then, in February 2023, Ally shifted gears and took their commitment to the next level. They announced a major expansion, becoming the official consumer bank of NASCAR and all NASCAR-owned tracks through a multi-year deal. This move wasn't a replacement for their relationship with Hendrick Motorsports, but rather a powerful complement to it. This new, broader partnership is all about enhancing the fan experience and driving inclusivity. Ally is bringing unique at-track events, fan giveaways, and content that focuses on celebrating the diverse community of racing. A huge part of this is their role as the presenting sponsor of the NASCAR Drive for Diversity Awards, a program that honors those who are making racing more accessible and welcoming to everyone. From sponsoring the number 48 car to a league-wide partnership, Ally has shown they are all in on NASCAR. They're not just a brand on a car, they're an active participant, helping to shape the future of the sport. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.